guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the vlog. We're finally deleting that stupid chrome thing trim or exterior trim on my windows on my 2011 335 here. All I gotta do right now is head to Canadian Tire, my local auto parts store, get some black gloss paint, some clear, some primer, and we should be good. Alright, pulling up to the tire of the Canadians. Yes, we don't have auto value here. Sorry, all you US people. Alright, gotta go in at like a serious angle here, because I installed a carbon fiber lip and I do not want to break it. You should click the video up here, or it's actually going to be down in the description box below. But we made it! Alright, in the paint section here. Okay, so we're going to need this clear coat here. We already have the gloss black at home. And we're gonna need some adhesion promoter. There's never a time I leave with exactly what I need. I always just find everything else and I just buy everything. Alright, now we're gonna get out of here. At an angle, don't scrape, don't scrape, don't scrape, don't. Yeah. We got it. Okay, so we're back. Now before I continue with showing you exactly what you need or anything at all, I'm going to be linking everything down that you'll ever need in any video that I ever make. All the links to Amazon products down in the description box below. And for you guys, for your convenience, I always do your shopping for you. I always get the best quality for the best prices. So usually the cheapest I can possibly find, because no one really wants to spend a whole bunch of money to do a simple DIY. That's why I do your shopping for you and I find the cheapest things already. Alright, so in the order that I'm probably gonna be listing it down in the description box below, all the links to all the products I use here. I'm gonna start off here with my plastic part tool set. This is like a necessity that you absolutely need to buy, because like you'll be able to use this for literally a million projects. Then I have some 180 sandpaper just to scuff up the surface. I'm gonna be using like this is a carbon mask. It's just to not die. This is actually pretty cool. When you're spray painting, instead of holding it and your finger getting tired, you just squeeze this instead and you I actually have a link right up here to another video that I did. I actually painted my brakes using this and it came out like fantastic. I have my adhesion, I have my adhesion promoter, I have my gloss black, and I have my clear coat. I also have my alcohol water mix just to clean the surface before I actually do anything, and just like a microfiber towel. Again, everything you see here, and this is down in the description box below. So without further ado, let's drive the car in the driveway and let's get this video started. Alright, so now that the car is in the driveway, oof, never done this before, so I'm kind of nervous. I don't even know if the window has to be open. Alright, so I have all this side off. Super scary. Now supposedly we're supposed to pull this all down. Oh my god, that's a lot of spider webs. And pull this whole thing up. Ah, there you go. Wow, that worked really well. Inserting it back is just gonna be literally putting it in through this groove in the middle and lining it up with those right there. But since this is off, I'm actually gonna just literally clean everything, because well, it looks like shit, so yeah. Now this one, supposedly you're supposed to take out the speaker. Supposedly it's supposed to just come out. I don't know, never done that before.
A few inches later.
Okay, update. So I did manage to get this off. Putting it back is actually hard. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tape up around here as much as I can and just plasti dip it because I just don't want to break anything, to be completely honest. So that is enough for me. Alright, so now that they're pretty clean, I'm going to take out my 180 sandpaper and just sand them down so that the adhesion promoter and everything has enough grit to stick into. Now that they're all pretty sanded down, I'm gonna go over it all with some alcohol mix and a microfiber towel just to get off all the grease from my fingers and anything possible that would prevent the adhesion promoter from properly adhering. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, so finally that's done. If that didn't take a solid 45 minutes, I don't know what did. But thank God, that's all taken care of. I'm gonna do a final wipe down and then 3 coats of that adhesion promoter. Coats of the adhesion promoter and a really amazing steak later. I'm ready to do 3 or 4 coats of my black gloss. After that, I don't know, maybe four coats of clear, and that should be it. At this point we just did 3 coats and they came out really nice. Like, so far they're really black and they look really nice, so I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna do 1 more coat and then they clear. Whatever. At this point, I'm fucking tired of spray painting all the time. Fuck that.
Tomorrow.
Man, if it wasn't for SpongeBob, we would never know it's the next day. Overnight, I let these things dry. I did, I think at this point it's 2 coats or so of clear. It's pretty glossy, but there are some blemishes and some parts that, well, I'll show you as I talk. There are some like little pieces here, like where I fucked up and I touched it. Can you guys see it? I wished. Right there. Look how bad that looks. Obviously it's on the driver's side, so I'm gonna see it absolutely every time I get into my car. But it's okay. And then right next to it you saw like there's this orange peel over here. I wished. But or else besides that, fuck, honestly, everything came out pretty fucking solid. There's a fucking error, son of a bitch. Even this one. I wanna fucking understand. I'm gonna wipe these things down fast with a microfiber towel just to get the whatever's on it now. That doesn't even feel like 2 coats. We'll see. I'll do maybe roughly another 2 coats of clear and then scaff them back on the car, okay? Brav. Alright, so lots happened. I placed these up here to dry in direct sunlight and still wet. My neighbor decided to that right then and there was a good time to blow all the dust off of the floor of his garage. into my freshly paint job. So you could only imagine how spectacular that came out. And now I'm just gonna plasti dip that little piece that I didn't feel like taking out before because it was gonna be too much of a hassle. I'm gonna do maybe 2 coats of that and leave it at that. Fucking weird. Alright, so I don't know if you saw that last clip, but or if you guys have ever played with plasti dip before, but it's so sticky. It did not come off clean. Like I even did the method like you pull away so it just and it cuts. No, it was horrible. I don't even want to show you for how fucking bad it was. But anyways, now we're just gonna put it all back up and then I'm gonna wash the car and do a little edit for you guys, okay? Brav. That's it. She's all blacked out. Sparkling like a little dirty girl she needs to get clean. Alright, so I'm gonna clean her real fast off camera and then show you guys the beauties.
And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun's shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awake in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile.
Alright guys, so that is the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't too long or wasn't too annoying. I hope I was instructional enough so that you guys could hopefully do the same job and it come out better than mine did. Yeah, I have some little blemishes here and there, that there's some little problems, like let's say right here, like you could even hear it, versus anyways, this right here is because of my neighbor. Anyways, but guys, overall I think it came out really good. I like it. I think I like it, yeah. It brings out more accents, everything's shiny, nice and sexy. I like it. I like it a lot. More and more this car's like looking more aggressive and I really like it. From last video I installed these. I didn't know how I felt about them. They're cheap, but they were like 20 bucks and I wrapped them. But like, they look pretty good for what they are. That was last video. I did a muffler delete. I added this little, I don't know how well you can see that. I added this at the bottom, like little diffuser there. I have my spoiler, my carbon fiber spoiler, my wheels. I painted my brakes, painted the brakes in the front. I have my kidney grills here, the dual slotted. I have my carbon fiber splitter at the bottom. Guys, seriously, check out my channel. I have so much that I've done to this car. And this, and I just tinted the car too, off camera, but I tinted the car and I really like that. It gives it a different vibe. Like everything's dark inside, it's cooler. I like it. And now this little extra detail, blocking out the trim, the exterior trim. I find it's like the final touch to the exterior, and I'm super happy with the outcome. Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave it at that. Consider subscribing, because honestly, all that stuff I just showed you, I keep on my channel and I document it strictly to show you guys. Keep making content, hopefully to encourage more people to subscribe to me as a testament to my hard work and how much effort I put into the editing and the actual ideas and thinking of things of what I could change so that I can inspire maybe someone that's watching my video right now. If you've made it this far. I'll leave it at that for now, okay? I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. You've been a treat. I hope I've encouraged you to do something with your day, to do a little DIY, because that's pretty much all I do. And yeah, I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. Like the video if it was either helpful, if you enjoyed watching it, if it gave you an idea to do something to your car like that, and encourage you maybe to do some DIYs yourself. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Otherwise, hit me up at djens19 on Instagram. I literally always answer there so fast. Remember to drive what drives you, and I'll be catching you guys in the next video. Peace.
Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. While y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life, cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it, but why comprehend it? I'd rather just live it and see where it take me. Toughen me up, but y'all niggas can't break me. Got the clip off safety, and that's just for my safety.